Just a brief history. TIE was started in Silicon Valley about 20 years ago by very eminent entrepreneurs of Indian origin. Essentially, when they got together, they figured out that most entrepreneurs, whether you are from US, India or any other country for that matter, essentially go through the same kind of problems. They have same kind of issues. In fact, today I was just talking to somebody who said, yeah, I have a small company, I have a problem with this and this. And I told him, yeah, well, you're not, I mean, they're like, everybody else has the same problem, so don't worry about it. So these guys came together and said, why don't we start an organization which is going to help, I mean, all the entrepreneurs will essentially help each other to figure out and learn from each other and foster entrepreneurship in a way, because a lot of people then tend to quit entrepreneurship rather than continuing with it. So this organization was started as a not-for-profit organization in 1992, and its focus is on nurturing the next generation as well as existing entrepreneurs. So it is meant for people who are wannabe entrepreneurs who want to kind of start something but don't know how to or don't know where to go, etc. Or for people who have run very successful businesses or currently running very successful businesses. There's always something in it for everyone through TIE. At this time, TIE has 57 chapters in 14 countries and over 15,000 members. And like I said, it is the largest not-for-profit organization fostering entrepreneurship. Basically, the way entrepreneurship is fostered is through mentoring, networking, and inspiration. Mentoring meaning there will be mentors assigned to members, and you would be able to seek from the knowledge and experiences from the mentors. Networking, like typically what we do for events like this, before the event starts, you're pretty much forced to have tea with everybody else. I mean, you kind of forced to talk to other people, meet other people, and quite frankly, that is, in my opinion, one of the most important things TIE brings to table, because having access to the network over 14 countries, I think is quite incredible. And then inspiration. Inspiration is typically learning from somebody else's story, like the event we are doing today. It's part of our inspiration series event, wherein you learn from somebody, learn from their experiences, what did they do, how did they do it, what did they not do well, and so on and so forth. We conduct this kind of event every alternate Friday, and I'll talk a little bit more about it shortly. TIE at a global level also hosts a wide range of programs and events, including what's called as TIECon. It's actually one of the largest professional networking conferences for entrepreneurs worldwide. In every chapter typically ends up holding some kind of a conference which is meant for everybody to come together, meet each other, and also there are a lot of events around that conference wherein people will talk about different activities and so on. We actually, in fact, Vishwas and I were just talking about it a few days ago. We do have a plan to consider doing a TIECon in Pune, which will be the first one in Pune, as early as perhaps first quarter of next year. So obviously we'll keep you posted, and needless to say, we're going to need a lot of volunteers, because to do a conference of that type takes a lot of effort and a lot of energy. So coming to TIE Pune, TIE Pune has been a chapter for almost, I would say, 10 years now, but it has been not so active till last year, and I'm proud to say that we have been nominated to be the best turnaround chapter all over the world. And Vishwas, actually we got recognition from TIE Global, because we actually have, we have been hyperactive lately. You know, in the last year, we've been hyperactive. We've been doing so many different events that people have started saying, please don't burn out, guys. You know, take it easy. But we have been doing a lot of events, as you see on the screen. This event like what we are having today, My Story Sessions, we do it first and third Friday. Typically, at the ICC, we normally do it on the ground floor at Murgaonkar Hall. For some reason, it was not available today. This is essentially where entrepreneurs share their success stories in their own words. And to me, it's a great event to go to, because I find it highly inspiring. You know. In fact, we've had very, very incredible stories that we heard here, and I'll talk a little bit about it in a few minutes. We also have mentoring sessions. You know, TIE Pune has quite a few charter members who have been very successful. And so we do this one-on-one mentoring with senior entrepreneurs. We would do things like idea validation, matchmaking, and so on and so forth. And there is a very interesting program going on called the Nurture Initiative, wherein we have selected a very we have selected 8 companies out of almost 53 applicants, and we are trying to take them from point A to point B, and through the journey we are doing a lot of hand holding for them. This Nurture initiative, by the way, is sponsored by UKTI. Suhasini is sitting here. Thanks Suhasini for your help. We also have a very interesting event called breakfast meetings. We have it alternate Thursdays at Grubshop. This is unlike this event, that breakfast meetings are more interactive. We typically get some subject matter expert and take a topic and talk about that topic. We have had a lot of different sessions on this. We also have training workshops. Last Saturday of every month, we'll have a workshop typically focusing on a particular topic of interest. And of course, we have business plan competitions, and I talked about Nurture initiative and so on. My story sessions, we have had 22 sessions in the last fiscal year, and ongoing. I think we'll have another, if you do first and third Friday, typically we should end up doing 24, 25 events every year. Different formats. I don't want to go through details because I just got a message that Farooq is in the building now, so I'm going to skip this. But interesting to note that over 2,000 attendees have attended this event so far. And today the number will go up because I saw some hands go up that they haven't attended this one before. And we have the videos on Facebook. You can join and look for TiE Pune, and it's for members only. We've had these speakers in the recent past. I don't want to go through this list. I talked about breakfast meetings. Some of the interesting topics we have had, like selling to enterprise customers, people performance. We just had one in setting up operations in Europe, US. Talked about e-commerce, customer acquisition, retention, business across cultures, etc., etc. Other activities, like I said, we have workshops and the Nurture and Stree Shakti initiative, wherein the Stree Shakti initiative is interesting because we want to focus on women entrepreneurship as well. Every alternate Thursday, we have meetings at the TiE office targeted specifically for women entrepreneurship, what kind of issues they have, helping them, etc. And we have had, I'm not going to talk a whole lot about the business hall competition because I think there is something more about it. I already discussed this before, so I'm going to continue. The My Story sessions are sponsored by Clarion Venture Partners, the Cosmos Bank, and the Shantanrao Kirloskar Chair for University of Pune.
Clarion Venture Partners is an incubator and angel fund for IT services startups. With incubation centers in Pune, Bangalore, and Ahmedabad, this is one of the best angel funds, incubator, and accelerator for IT services startups today. If you are working in the IT industry and dream to be an entrepreneur, check out www.clarionvp.com. Starting a company with Clarion Venture Partners is as easy as switching a job. After you are selected for investment, Clarion Venture Partners will provide you with space to get started, funds for your staff salaries, sales, marketing, and other expenses for up to 1 year, help you manage the operational aspects of your business through their shared incubation services, assist you with marketing through a shared CMO, boost your sales through sales outsourcing and lead generation partner companies, guide you in finding your board of advisors through their network of eminent businessmen and senior professionals, mentor and coach you till you become successful or ready for next round of funding. The fund invested in 4 startups last year and has plans to make at least 15 similar investments in 2012. Come chase your dream.
I'll just read out a little bit about Cosmos Bank. It is a complete financial institution, one of the oldest banks in the country, has been existing since for 106 years. It's a leading multi-state scheduled cooperative bank, has been operating in 6 states through its 119 branches. It's a professionally managed bank and boasts about its leadership in the domain. They have done business volume of over 21,000 crore, out of which over 12,000 crores are deposits and advances of over 8,500 crores. Thank you Cosmos Bank for sponsoring this event. And last but not the least, I strongly urge you to become a TiE Pune member and a volunteer. Join us on Facebook or Twitter, follow us on TiE Pune on Twitter, network with our charter members and volunteers, and do complete the feedback forms that has been handed over to you when you came in, because we do care about your feedback. that brings me to our event today. So what we did, Farouk, was because we had some time, we just did the introduction and all.